Hi, third graders. In Letterland this week, we will be working on closed syllables and short vowel sounds. First, let's be introduced to the words that we're going to be working with this week. Felt, drop, grump, camp, drink. Next, we're going to learn the meanings of each of these words and see that some words have multiple meanings. For example, felt can be used to express your feelings. I felt sad when I had to leave to go home from vacation. Or you can use felt. It's a type of craft material that we can use when we're doing projects, maybe in art. I used felt for the craft project I was making in art. Drop. He will drop his plate if he does not carry it with two hands. Has there ever been a time that you've had so much in your hands that you dropped something? I had to drop him off for his first day of school. Has somebody ever dropped you off somewhere before? Grump. I know none of us have ever been grumps to our family members, have we? He was a grump when he got out of bed because he did not get much sleep. Camp. I put up a tent so I could camp in the woods. Have you ever been camping before? Drink. What is your favorite kind of drink? I had a drink of water after playing on the playground. Our next set of words are upset, napkin, insult, contest, and until. I'm going to ask you a question about how many syllables do you see in these words after we go over the meanings of these words? What is a syllable? Upset. I was upset when I forgot to put my homework in my book bag. Has there ever been a time that you've been upset before? Napkin. Do you have a napkin I can use to clean up the spilled milk? Insult. We know that an insult can be when we treat someone with disrespect, when we're not being respectful to them. She did not want to insult them by not eating. Contest. She won first place at the contest for baking cupcakes. Have you ever been in a contest before? Until. Until is up to a certain point. So I have until Friday to complete my homework. Now, I want you to look at the word harvest. They were similar to the words that we just saw. What is a harvest first? Well, let's take a look at the picture. We see baskets of certain kinds of vegetables. A harvest is gathering of different crops. A crop can be corn, broccoli, lettuce, tomatoes, onions. Farmers gather crops during a harvest. Now, I wonder how many syllables are in these words. What is a syllable? A syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. A syllable may have more vowel letters, but only one vowel sound, like the word cloud or rain. It is a part of a word or a whole word that is spoken with one push of air. So if we were to divide the word harvest, how many syllables do we see? Well, yes, we see two syllables. We see the word harvest, and we see how we've divided them into two syllables. Tomorrow, when we work on quick quoting, we will be using this strategy to divide our words into syllables. Now let's go over the short vowel sounds that we will be working with this week. What do you notice in the picture? Yes, that's an axe in a stump. So short A says ah, like axe. You say it with me. Ah, axe. Eh, very good. Our next short vowel sound is E. And the little girl hears an echo. Eh, like echo. Well, what is an echo? An echo is a sound caused by the reflection of sound waves from a surface back to the listener. Well, what does that mean? An echo, think about any time that you've ever stood maybe on a hill or a mountain and you've called out and you heard your sound back to you, you heard sound of the sound that you said come back to you. Well, that's an echo. So it's echo, eh. Say it with me. Echo, eh. Very good. Our next short vowel sound is I. What is that a picture of? Yep, it's an insect. So, like insect. Say it with me. Like insect. Very good. Our next short vowel sound is O. What is that a picture of? Yep, it's an otter. So we say like otter. Otter. You say it with me one time, please. Otter. Very good. Finally, our last short vowel sound is U. It says like up. Say it with me. Up. Very good. Finally, you're going to today do a sorting of these words in Shobi. You will go in virtual classroom under Letterland word sort. Once you've completed it, it will be uploaded into Shobi. And you can either type it or you can write it. Right now, though, I would like to go over some of the short vowel words that we will be putting into short A group category, short E, short I, short O, or short U. Let's look at the word grump. Grump. What short vowel sound is it going? Yes, it does. It goes in short U. Let's take a look at another one. Drink. Like insect. Yes, it does. It goes in short I. What about words like contest? Contest. Yep, that has 2 syllables. And it has 2 short vowels. In contest, what do we see? Well, in con, we see short O. So it can go either in short O, but also we see the word test, the short syllable test. So we see the short vowel sound E, like echo. It could also go over into short E. When you're working on your work, you can put it in either category or both categories. Let's take another look. Until. Well, it's also a 2-syllable word. We can put it in short U for un, like up, or till, you could put it in. The short I like insect. Let's take a look at the word drop. Yep, like otter, so it would go into short O. Once you turn off the video, go ahead into Shobi, into Letterland word sort, and complete your word sort. You will only be using the 10 words that we went over today. You do not need to use the expanded vocabulary, which is the vocabulary words or challenge words for today. If you would like to spend additional time and use those words, that's awesome, but we're only requiring you to do the first 10 words. I hope you learned a lot about short vowel sounds and syllables. Go ahead now and complete your next part of the activity.